Yeah, that chopper view crazy, bro. I can do the chopper view. Yeah, that's why I see these need to be VIP. What's good, y'all? It's the Demouchets React, and we're back with another video. Who we got today, C?
Today we're back with another reaction. Super excited about this video, guys. If you're new to us and we're new to you, make sure you scroll down,
hit that subscribe button,
and turn on the post notification bell
because we're on the road to 10K.
And we cannot get there without you guys, all right?
Join the family. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Yeah, you all right? Get some of that little water in that pipe, clean out real quick. Yo, if you ever been to a rally race, I advise you, when you go, to sit in the back, because these cars be going fast, bro. We have yet to attend one, but we definitely want to attend one. Yeah, to sit in the back. I wouldn't tell one sit in the front if you ain't trying to get out the way fast enough. Cause these, look at this. When it happens, it happens. Man, I feel like they just on the bull crap with it, bro. Like, get out my way.
Not him out the car.
Like when that side sounds so good. We'll be zipping around the corners.
Oh, what that happened?
What happened? Nice. Nice.
I like when we do that.
Yeah, I don't think we saw it from an angle like that before. Oh, he on that semen, that's a wrap. Show up. Man, they is packed. Pool, man. They got a full house.
Right there.
But the jump. Yeah. I do the jump. The jump is innocent. Yes, sir. Come through. Look at that. Sound like pure muscle.
Ooh, a race? A race? Hold up, wait a minute. Y'all be holding off on the good stuff. Because we know what?
Why we never seen this?
Right. We know that they're in a race.
Yeah.
But like right on side each other, racing to the finish line. Y'all gotta let us know. Send us those links because we need to see that. Now,
we have seen a drift racing where they drift on side each other. And, they gotta cut each other. Yeah, that's dope, but we ain't seen a rally race like this. Yep, we're waiting on it.
We're gonna be waiting. That's okay.
Not you telling the man it's okay. This little light jump, not too wild.
I would not want to be behind him.
Man, they all doing the same.
I know.
But I mean, you would want to draw that close to someone anyway, though. We got a new whip right here. It's a green one. Dang, I know that boy. Stop. Nah, you don't want to do that. Especially when you're too high. Straight out the pit. And you can see them get up when they hit that semen. good control.
Ooh, but you hear that engine?
Man, it sounds so.
You hear? Ooh, that was a nice one. That was a nice one.
Look at this though. What is that? Boy, like he on a high-speed chase, huh? God, nah, he ain't, whatever he got, he ain't giving it back. Yeah, that chopper view crazy, bro. I could do the chopper view. Yeah, that's why I see this need to be VIP.
Out the way, okay?
Who do you think the most sponsored, Red Bull or Monster? Red Bull.
You look so good.
Hey, you know who we never seen in a while? The man in the yellow shirt.
Oh, that was Finland. Let me find out they put hydraulics on the rally.
That'd be crazy. Yeah, for that bounce, right?
Yeah.
I don't think we seen them like come out before, like the rally cars. Like we see them always racing. We always see them like in process. We never seen them like starting off.
No, like I want to see a full race from beginning to end. Like follow that driver, those drivers. I want to see that.
I think we would follow just one. Follow just one of them.
Yeah, the point of view.
Hey, what you guys think the time difference is before each car passing up a certain point? Like every 60 seconds, you think? Every 5 minutes, 3 minutes?
Pilon avant-rampe. Ouvre.
You know, after a while, it don't look hard. It don't look like it's difficult to do. No, don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. No, I knew you was gonna say something like that. Now I'm just saying, like, if the track isn't too crazy, where we got these cliffs and these buildings that's next to it, just give us a straight field. Man, that's a good.
No
good
mountains
workout.
and cliffs.
None of that. No, none of them scary tactics. Hey, them boys be driving, bro. You can't not say they don't. Them boys be driving. Yo, that's how I pull up when I get an emergency call. That's me 100%. I'm busting corners and hitting hills. Yeah, bro.
You know what? Watching rally helps me decide which kind of car I want. The
Really?
one with the best engine.
Yeah, I would like to see underneath the hood. I would like to see
Those
underneath the
engine
hood.
sounds and how well it does with going fast and all that.
Hey, you guys, I actually ran across somebody who had a rally car. They had a whole shop and it was doing Hondas and all that. Yeah, and they had a rally hood open and everything. I had a chance to look at it, but I really want to take time. I was just passing through the neighborhood. Well, I really want to take time to like dissect it.
Yeah. It's interesting, you know. Hopefully we'll get a chance to attend a race soon.
100%.
Yes, so we hope you guys enjoyed this video with us. Like this video, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. We have enabled our super thanks if you like to support the channel that way, as well as our reaction request form is in our description box below. We'll see you soon.
Peace.